To install Nova DSO Tracker under Docker, open your Docker Desktop app and click on Docker Hub. Now enter MRANTONSG in the search field and click on Search. You will find the Nova DSO Tracker repository. Click on it. Now click on Pull, and then at Run, enter the port number where you want to access Nova DSO Tracker. In my case, I use 5001. You can also name the container, so you can easily identify it if you have multiple containers running. This is optional. After pressing Run again, you can see the application starting. Open a web browser and enter localhost and the port you used when you started the Docker container, in my case 5001. After a few seconds, your list of deep space objects will load. In case you have a configuration file and/or a journal file from a previous version, go to Configuration and import them there. That's all. You are ready to use Nova DSO Tracker. Clear skies.